Dentist, a person who is trained to take care of people's teeth. Checkup, a visit to the dentist to make sure teeth are healthy. Toothbrush, a tool used for cleaning teeth. Floss, a thin string used to clean between teeth. Cavity, a small hole or damage in a tooth caused by bacteria. X-ray, a special picture taken by the dentist to see inside the teeth. Plaque, a sticky film on teeth where harmful bacteria can grow. Fluoride, a mineral that helps strengthen teeth and prevent cavities. Drill, a tool used by the dentist to remove parts of a damaged tooth. Anesthesia, medicine used to make sure a person doesn't feel pain during dental procedures. Gloves, protective coverings worn by the dentist on hands while working in a patient's mouth. Chairside assistant, the person who helps the dentist during procedures by passing tools and materials. Extractor, a tool used to remove a tooth that is too damaged to be repaired. Tooth decay, damage to a tooth caused by plaque and acids. Composite, a tooth-colored material used by dentists to fill cavities. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. My dentist cleaned my teeth and checked for cavities. 2. I have a checkup at the dentist next week for my X-ray. 3. Don't forget to brush your teeth with your toothbrush. 4. The dentist told me to floss every day to prevent cavities. 5. I need to go back to the dentist to fill my cavity. 6. The dentist used an X-ray machine to check my tooth. 7. Brushing helps remove plaque and keep your teeth clean. 8. The dentist recommended fluoride to strengthen my teeth. 9. The dentist had to drill to fix my cavity. 10. Before my procedure, I was given anesthesia to numb the pain. 11. The dentist put on gloves before examining my teeth. 12. The chairside assistant helped the dentist during the procedure. 13. The extractor was used to remove my damaged tooth. 14. Tooth decay can happen if you don't take care of your teeth. 15. The dentist used composite material to fill the cavity in my tooth.